Hello, everyone, and welcome back to EasySpeak English Podcast. I'm John, and I am really happy that you decided to spend some time learning English with us today.
And I'm Judy. I'm excited to be here because today we are going to talk about something simple, positive, and useful for your English and daily life.
Sometimes people think happiness only comes from big achievements or expensive experiences. But actually, many small moments during the day can make us feel relaxed and thankful.
That is true, John. And today we will practice English while talking about small everyday moments that can improve our mood and make life feel brighter.
Let's begin with something almost everybody enjoys, which is having a favorite morning drink before starting a busy day.
When you drink coffee or tea and feel comfortable immediately, you can say, "This drink is exactly what I needed today," because this sentence sounds natural and easy.
That expression is useful. And another simple sentence you can practice is, "My morning tea helps me feel calm and ready for the day."
Another enjoyable activity is listening to music while walking, studying, or relaxing at home after finishing your work.
When music changes your mood in a positive way, you can say, "This song always makes me feel better and gives me good energy."
I like that expression because it is simple for English learners and easy to remember during daily conversations.
Something else many people love is getting a good night of sleep. Because rest gives us more energy and helps us feel stronger.
If you sleep very well, you can say, "Last night I slept really well and woke up feeling refreshed and comfortable."
That sounds great, Judy, because sleep is one of the easiest ways to improve both your mood and your daily routine.
Now let's talk about nature, because simple moments outside can feel very peaceful and beautiful.
When you watch the evening sky or enjoy quiet weather, you can say, "The view today looks beautiful and makes me feel relaxed."
I think another wonderful moment is receiving a message from someone who remembers you and wants to say something kind.
Yes, and if someone sends you a nice message, you can answer by saying, "Your message made my day and made me smile."
Spending time with family and friends is also important because conversations and laughter can make difficult days feel easier.
When you enjoy time together, you can say, "I had a great time and really enjoyed being with everyone."
Another healthy habit is going outside for a short walk because fresh air can help clear your thoughts and improve concentration.
If you want to describe that feeling in English, you can say, "I took a short walk and now I feel much better."
Coming home to a clean room can also create a peaceful feeling and make your environment feel comfortable.
You can practice this sentence. "I cleaned my room today and now everything feels organized and calm."
Learning something new is another simple joy that helps people grow and become more confident every day.
That is why listening to podcasts and practicing English regularly can become part of your daily happiness routine.
If you learn a new expression today, you can proudly say, "Today I learned something useful, and I want to keep improving."
Helping other people is another beautiful experience because even small actions can make someone's day better.
When helping someone, you can say, "I was happy to help," because kindness always creates positive feelings.
Before we finish, remember that happiness does not always come from big moments. Because small daily experiences often become our favorite memories.
And remember something important about learning English. You do not need to understand every word immediately, because progress happens little by little every single day.
Now tell us in the comments about one small thing that makes you happy every day. And try to write your answer in English so we can read it.
Thank you for listening to EasySpeak English Podcast today, and thank you for practicing English together with John and Judy.
Do not forget to like this episode, subscribe to the channel, and come back again, because tomorrow at 7 p.m. we will be waiting for you with another English conversation.
Goodbye, everyone, and have a wonderful day.